Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. Can a car go uphill in neutral when the brakes are let go? Also, what do you use to check the slope of the road, whether it's uphill or downhill? Summary: no, if the engine's not running and is increased in energy going uphill, it violates the first law of thermodynamics. Use a spirit level to check the slope of the road. Let's go a little bit more in depth. So the car going uphill with the brakes let go, this violates or breaks the first law of thermodynamics because the input energy is coming from nowhere, so it can't occur naturally. So what's the first law of thermodynamics? It states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed from one form to another. And of course you use your spirit level, you check the bubble, so if the bubble's dead center, then it is level. If it is sloping to one side, it will indicate it's going either up or down. Okay, so like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is not in textbooks. Leave a comment if this was helpful or if you got questions. Until next time, see ya.